thinking about how the gut is interconnected with different systems, can we talk about the gut-lung axes,
Right.
or how the gut could potentially impact the lung?
So there are certain respiratory pathogens like influenza in one particular study where they induced lung lesions with intranasal influenza challenge. And then they looked at and monitored the gut for what was going on at the gut level. And they showed that the gut becomes quite affected by a specific respiratory challenge, and that these two systems can communicate. And then vice versa, it's been shown that when there's inflammatory responses in the lung, that specific immune cells that are residing in the gut can actually traffic out of the gut into the lung and modulate the inflammatory response there. It's been shown that some of these cells can be very protective and help resolve the injury and then return back to the gut. So communication with the nervous system and the immune system is very critical for whole body resolution of disease. We know that the nervous system in the gastrointestinal tract, there's just as many neurons in the nervous system, in the enteric nervous system, than the spinal cord. And it really has unique and overarching functions over all of gut function. On one hand, it can operate independently from the central nervous system to regulate normal processes such as motility patterns, digestion, and absorption. But it can also interact with the central nervous system to receive signals that can modulate its function. So it can operate independently, but it also receives cues from other sources. So this becomes important because during a challenge or a stress, the nervous system becomes very activated. And how that system is activated can control essentially every part of gut function, from secretion, absorption, inflammation, motility. So it's a major player. And I think it just goes to the importance of gut health, because you need a system, an immune system that is robust and ready to be activated so that it can not only mediate its defense properties and normal functions in the gut, but be able to traffic and move to other sites of the body and help resolution of disease there. So really highlights the gut as a center for modulating systemic responses.